I can see you as if you fly back over here. This thing looks kind of like a cardinal, but not like a cardinal at the same time. And it's chittering at me. It's over here on the fence. It's beautiful, but its head isn't shaped right for a cardinal. What are you? You're so amazing. Do you just not have your feathers yet? Is that your story? You're so pretty. Oh gosh, I got the glare now. Look at this bird though. I mean, it's bright red like a cardinal. Sorry, it's hard for me to get still. See, it's not shaped like a cardinal. But it's just as bright red. And its beak is red too. Whoops. And it's talking to me. Hello, little bird. Oops, hello. Are you somebody's pet that got away? Are you a baby? What's your deal? There he is. I'm terrible at viewfinding on this thing. Good thing I don't have to do this for money. I wouldn't get paid. Where'd you go, bird? There you are. Because it's zoomed in, it's harder to find, you know. Let's see. Oops. Hope I don't step on an anthill while I'm watching this bird. I don't know what it is. That's cool.